Hello everyone, ZionTech025 here. In this video, we are going to know 15 essential keyboard shortcuts that will make you forget your mouse and to make your Windows 11 experience faster and more productive compared to reaching for the mouse or navigating a menu. A single keyboard shortcut shaves a moment off your task. This might not seem like much, but add up all those saved moments over a week or a month, and you are gaining a substantial chunk of time. That's why it's important to know as many shortcuts as possible for your operating system. Try a keyboard command a few times, and you'll find out just how useful it can be. Here are 15 of the most indispensable keyboard shortcuts for a Windows 11 computer. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Add a virtual desktop. Windows key plus Control plus D. Virtual desktops create secondary screens where you can stash some of your open applications in Windows, giving you extra workspace. This shortcut lets you create one, and once you have, click the Task View button to the right of the taskbar search box to switch from one desktop to another. Number 2. Switch to the virtual desktop on the right. Windows key plus Control plus arrow right. It will switch you to the virtual desktop on the right. When you are working on your current desktop and once you press Windows key plus Control plus arrow right, it will bring you to the next desktop to the right. This is helpful when you are switching right away to the next desktop. Number 3. Switch to the virtual desktop on the left. Windows key plus Control plus arrow left. Switch to the virtual desktop on the left. This is similar to number 2. When you are working on your current desktop and once you press Windows key plus Control plus arrow left, it will bring you to the next desktop to the left. Number 4. Close the current virtual desktop. Windows key plus Control plus F4. Once you've done and finished working on your current desktop, you can automatically close your current desktop by pressing Windows key plus Control plus F4. And there you go, as easy as that, it will close automatically. Number 5. It will open the Action Center on the right side of your screen. Windows key plus A. In this combo of keys, Windows key plus A, you can manage your Wi-Fi connection, your Bluetooth connection, airplane mode, night light, focus assist and the accessibility. Number 6. Open search and place the cursor in the input field. Windows key plus S. Open search and place the cursor in the input field. The Windows taskbar has a handy search box that sifts through your applications and saved files, and jump straight to it with this keyboard shortcut. Then you just type in your search terms. Number 7. Open the task view. Windows key plus Tab. This shortcut lets you switch applications once you press Windows key plus Tab, and it will show the thumbnails of all your open programs on the screen. Number 8. Open the admin menu. Windows key plus X. Windows has a hidden start menu, called the Quick Link menu, that allows you to access all the key areas of the system. From here, you can jump straight to Device Manager to review and configure any hardware, such as printers or keyboards, that are currently attached to the system. Or you can quickly bring up the PowerShell command prompt window to access advanced Windows commands. Number 9. Switch to Desktop View. Windows key plus D. This shortcut keys will show or hide your desktop, and it will minimizes all your open windows and bringing your home screen into view. If you store rows and rows of files and shortcuts on your desktop, Windows keys plus D will let you access them in moments. Number 10. Open Windows Explorer. By pressing Windows key plus E, it will automatically open the Windows Explorer, and these keyboard shortcuts will help you navigate Windows file system quickly than ever. Number 11. Open the accessibility. It is so easy to open the Windows accessibility by pressing Windows key plus U, wherein you can manage to access immediately the most important settings in the system which is related to vision and hearing, such as text size, visual effects, mouse pointer and touch, text cursor, magnifier, color filters, contrast themes, narrator, audio and captions. Number 12. Open Settings Information. Windows key plus I. Anytime, if you want to configure the way Windows works, hit this keyboard shortcut to bring up the System Settings dialog. Number 13. Lock the computer. Windows key plus L locks the machine and returns you to the login screen, so any snoops will need your user account password to regain access by using this keyboard combo right before you step away. That is why you need to keep your computer safe from any prying eyes. Number 14. Switch between apps. Alt plus Tab. If you hold it, it will open the task view, and if you release, it will switch to the application. This is one of the classic Windows shortcuts, and it can be hugely useful when you're running multiple applications. Just press Alt plus Tab, and you'll be able to quickly flick through all your open windows. Number 15. To capture screenshots. Press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. This is to quickly snip and share a screenshot. To bring up a snipping toolbar, use it to snip a rectangle, something a bit more freeform, or full screen, and it will go straight to your clipboard. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for you to be updated in my future uploads.